Building your job-winning resume is easy with Got Resume Builder. Hi, my name is James. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the steps of building your resume using Got Resume Builder. To begin, you need to create a free account. This will allow you to save progress and retrieve your resume at a later time. Click on the Build My Resume Now button or the login link to go to the login page. You have the option to continue with a social media account or create a new Resume Builder account using your email. You can manage all your resumes in the Resume Management window. Here you can add, delete, and duplicate resumes. I recommend that you create a new resume for each position you apply, so that you can tailor your resume to the specific requirements of that position. You can switch between your resumes with this drop-down menu. Next, let's look at the Resume section setting page. Every resume consists of various sections such as contact information, education, work experience. Our system will add a few standard sections to your new resume by default, but I recommend you add sections or adjust sections based on your specific situation. For example, you can add a new section called Qualifications and delete the Skills section. You can sort sections with drag and drop to highlight your strengths. Now that your resume sections are set up, it's time to add content to each one of them. Let's use the Edit button to bring up the contact information page. You can click on each field to see help information and tips on that field. Next, let's move on to the Objective section. You can first read the tips on how to write a career objective. You can also use the IntelliSample function to search for examples of career objectives. Pay attention to words that are underlined in red by spell checker. Right-click on those words to see suggestions on spelling. Next, let's add content to the qualification section and format it as a bulleted list. Similarly, you can add your work experience and education items in the same way. I suggest sorting your experience and education items by date, with the more recent at the top. You can adjust the sort order by drag and drop. The resume progress bar indicates how complete your resume is. It is also a good idea to add a cover letter. You can use the Job Letter Builder to add a cover letter section. You can then edit the cover letter and select a template that suits your needs. And then you can go through the cover letter template and fill in your specific information. Now that you have created all the content for your resume, it's time to select a design template and make your resume look awesome.